Hello dear students, welcome to this class of BA Part 1st English Literature. I am Dr. S. S. Vedwan. And dear students, as you have requested me to analyze the characters of this play, The Merchant of Venice, today in this video we will analyze the important characters of this play, Merchant of Venice. As you all know, The Merchant of Venice is a tragicomedy written by William Shakespeare, the great playwright, the great dramatist. So let us now discuss the important characters in brief. So the first character which comes to our mind is the character of Shylock, a Jew. So Shylock is a Jewish moneylender and he lives in Venice. He usually charges very high rate of interest and he hates Christians, particularly Antonio, another businessman of Venice. He hates Antonio. Shylock schemes and plans to somehow defeat Antonio and to take a revenge by ruthlessly demanding as a payment a pound of flesh from Antonio, as he has signed a bond to give a pound of flesh if Bassanio fails to pay the money, 3,000 ducats, in 3 months' time. So he is hell bent to take a pound of flesh. Shylock is a, we can say, inhuman monster. At times he diverges from stereotype and reveals himself to be quite a human. But if we analyze his character, he seems to be a very ruthless, pitiless fellow. And these contradictions are expressed in his speech, where he shows hate and disrespect for Antonio. Shylock is one of the most memorable character ever described by Shakespeare. So this man Shylock is a very important character. Now we move on to the next important character, and the next important character is Portia. Portia is the heroine of this play. She is a wealthy heiress of Belmont and she is a beautiful young lady and very intelligent. Remember, she is a beauty with brains. She respects her father's bond, her father's clause, who has uh, designed her marriage by the clause that who will choose the right casket will marry Portia. And to marry Portia, princes from different countries arrive in Belmont as suitors, and ultimately Bassanio chooses the right casket, and the right casket is made of lead. Now this Portia, as I told you, is very intelligent also, as is revealed in the court scene where she puts forth her logic and defeat all the arguments of Shylock, who is made to surrender, and Portia, she wins the case and Antonio is spared. Shylock is given the punishment to share his wealth and to write a will that he will distribute his wealth to Jessica. Now we come to the character of Antonio. Dear students, Antonio is the merchant of Venice, a good-natured gentleman, a Christian, and readily he helps the poor and the needy. So this is very important of his character, and that is why each one at the Rialto they praise Antonio. Antonio, he is melancholy because his ship have not yet arrived, and he is a friend of friends because he says to Bosenio that you arrange the money and I am ready to be your guarantor. So this is how he helps his friend who are in need. This man, Antonio, he suffers a lot in the play because he is abused by Antonio. He is abused by Shylock, and he is made to stand in court, where intelligent Portia and her pointed logic refutes all arguments of Shylock, and he is set free. Now, Bassanio, he is a gentleman of Venice and a kinsman and a dear friend of Antonio. And it was for Bassanio that Antonio agrees to become a guarantor, and he signs the bond also. Bassanio is in love with a wealthy heiress of Belmont, that is Portia, and that is why he has to borrow money from Shylock because Antonio's ship have not yet arrived, and Antonio signs the bond, and he makes him to travel to Belmont with 3,000 ducats. Bassanio proves himself a worthy suitor to Portia. He chooses the right casket, and after returning to Venice, he try hard to pay back the money to Shylock. Another important character is Gratiano. He is a friend of Bassanio who accompanies him to Belmont. He is a coarse and rough young gentleman. Gratiano is Shylock's most vocal and insulting critic. He is the one who all the time is a critic of Shylock. Bassanio courts with Portia, and Gratiano he falls in love with Nerissa, who is the lady in waiting for Portia. Another important character is Jessica. Jessica is Shylock's daughter, and Jessica hates his father and his lifestyle. She elopes with a young Christian gentleman, Lorenzo. And ultimately, after the court scene, Shylock has to write a will that he will assign all her wealth to Jessica. Now we have another character, and this is Lorenzo. Lorenzo is a friend of Bassanio and Antonio, a young Christian gentleman, and Lorenzo is in love with Shylock's daughter Jessica. He schemes to help Jessica escape from her father's house, and he eventually elopes with Jessica to Belmont. Another important character is Nerissa. Nerissa is Portia's lady in waiting and her confidant. She marries Gratiano and escorts Portia on Portia's trip to Venice by disguising herself as her law clerk. Then we have the Prince of Morocco. The Prince of Morocco, who is one of the suitors of Portia, he is a Moorish prince who seeks Portia's hand in marriage. The Prince of Morocco asks Portia to ignore his dark complex and seeks to win her by picking one of the three caskets. The prince, he chooses the gold casket, which proves to be incorrect. Then another suitor we have is the Prince of Aragon, and he is a Spanish nobleman who also attempts to win Portia's hand by picking a casket. But like the Prince of Morocco, he also chooses the wrong casket. He chooses the silver casket, and he fails to win the hand of Portia. Then we have Gobbo, Celerino, and the Duke of Venice, who acts as the judge in the court scene. So these are some of the important characters which are depicted by Shakespeare in this play, The Merchant of Venice. Dear students, I hope in this brief sketch of all the characters we have discussed, you might have understood their role and importance in the play. Thank you very much.